to everyone. This is Sagar here. So today in class we'll see how to we can add a fields using the Python programming. So I have one of the feature class, that is the role, and these are the only few attributes are there. We can say the columns or so I want to add one more column or field using the Arcpy. So I'll show here. So before first we have to import the Arcpy library. So import Arcpy, and using now we'll import the Arcpy tool, that is the Arcpy dot add field field management, and in that input table as I will give the road, it will give the suggest the road. So otherwise you can drag from here, you can add it. Next column, it is asking for the name. I'll give the name is length. Next, it will ask for the field type, so it will suggest us the suggestion box. So I want to calculate the length, so I'll take the float comma length. It will ask for the precision, scale, length, alias name, or the nullable, or all these things. So these are the required parameters. So only I will take, that is the road, that input feature or table, length, that the table or attribute name or field name, and float. This is the data type I have, and I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. So automatically one of the column will be added here. You can see here. This is the length table added automatically. You can see this is the tool. Thanks for watching my videos.